So for those of you who have never done this before, and just so you have another video to look at, this is the fuel injector connector. There's a this is a 2002 Ford Explorer Sport Track with a 4.0. I don't think I said that in my other videos, but that's all right. You can see that on the side here there's like a clip, and if you look at it closely, you'll see those clips will, as you squeeze, they will contract and release the fuel injector harness connector. Trying to take a picture. Hope it takes. I guess, why would you watch this video? Well, I don't know. You just like to see people work on things? Because you probably already know how to do this. And let's see, or you just interested in knowing what the hell is up under here. So it goes on back. I'm gonna disconnect this one and maybe that back one. Yeah, I'll disconnect all of them. Let's see if I can get this one off. Only thing I'm doing is squeezing it together and sliding it off very easily, because you want to break that plastic that clip, because as old as this car is, man, imagine that stuff is pretty brittle. I know you can't see it, but I've already got the one in the back off. I just want to show you how difficult it was to get it off. This one has something else there. There's something else that's blocking it. What the hell is it? There's something there, like a little cap or something. What is it? I got to see what that is. See the camera on it? There it is, right there. I don't think the camera can see it. I'll zoom in on that. See if I can get a picture of it. I think I got a picture. I don't know, hell, shit. With that, I'm going to, I got the back one off here. This is the only one that comes off here. Then once I get that off, I'll have most of this harness loose. And I'll start fishing. If I don't fish it off completely, I'll just leave it like it is. Don't remove it at all, just leave it to the side. You know, just move it to the side. And likewise on this side over here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I said I was gonna go skating tonight, but I am too tired. I didn't get any very much sleep last night. Things are changing around here. Change for the good. So it's not bad. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm done for today. And I'm going to go and upload this and give it a trick it.